How to delete account activity on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I'll show you the way as to how you can delete your account activity on TikTok. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now what you have to do is, in order to delete your account activity on TikTok, make sure to update the TikTok app, and once you've updated it, also make sure to log into your account. After you update and log in, you will see this kind of interface over here. Now what you have to do is, in order to delete your account activity, first we're going to go to the activity tab by first tapping on the inbox button from the bottom. As we tap on the inbox button over here, you can see activities. So I'll just select the activity section and it'll basically show me all of my activities on TikTok account. And if I want to delete a specific activity over here, I'll just long press on it. Once I long press on it, at the bottom you'll find the option that says delete. So just tap on it. Now keep in mind that as of now, we don't have the option to delete all of our activities at once. So the only way to get rid of them is to simply long press on it. As you long press on it, you'll find basically the option that says delete at the bottom of the screen. So tap on the delete button, repeat the process for any other activities that you want to delete. That's all it takes to delete your activity on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.